How do you think walk the way?
Power. Huh?
Power. Look good, but it smell good too.
Yes, just a minute. In the first load.
You gotta enjoy it. Fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh. Will we?
Tastes good. It tastes
Try it
good.
out, taste the way.
Me taste already.
How you walk?
Nice. I could left fish when you think goodbye here.
Alright, so you will give me a review how the thing tastes the way.
You want nothing more inside.
Wow. That's a very good review.
But you can't get fresh like this.
Can't.
This though.
From the jungle into the car here.
Shatter David with seals.
We got it with seal, we got crack a seal. Andrew! You can crack a seal and we deal with it. Alright, so to the winner of the competition, the first lady, Andrea. Cheers. And what we knocking there? Glenfiddich 12. Alright. Cheers. Salush. And this one for the camping. Y'all enjoy the trip so far?
Yes, we enjoy the trip. And
Cheers. Good morning from the mighty Essequibo River. My boys, we are in a 5-star hotel here right now. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning here. I ain't seen the sunrise, and I don't think I'll be seeing it this morning. But you can see the beauty ahead there. You know, the sun probably made an attempt to rise, but the rain overcome it. But we fishing in sun and rain. We don't care what the weatherman say. Ah yeah. This is the struggle of fishermen. So when you go to the market, please pay the fishermen for the fish. Or for the wild meat, yeah, pay them fellas for the wild meat. And here is the first lady. Good morning.
Good morning.
And the president over there, the man, the fish boss. Morning, brother.
You're lucky right now.
Yeah, we going to catch some fish, right? Lokanani?
Yeah.
That's biting the rain though, way?
No bad.
Uh-huh.
Anytime.
Well then, we can come through the May, June rain and fish then. Alright? Come in the flood time. Boy, look, we can't buy. Alright. And by the 5-star hotel up this weekend. So, we heading out. While them fellas gonna cook some nice. What are we cooking today, boy? Lava stew.
Get it on video.
Alright. Nice lava and things when we come back, you know. Life can get better. And some fresh fish. We're gonna catch a fish and come back and cook. No ice. Good. No ice. So, another day begins. Join us and let's go have some fun. Looks like I hope the sun rises over that side and, you know, subside the rain. Alright. We are all on board. We're going to fish. We're going to catch. Alright? Let the catching begin.
No.
Fish, my fish.
No. Oh shit, I missed. No.
I don't miss it, you see my order.
No, right? I'm bringing it out. Hold on, I'm bringing it out. No, I missed.
Is it real?
In the box!
In the box! This is a male. Humpback. That's the pro, boy. Alright.
Second big one.
Second big one from the rock here, boy. Yeah, I still want to move? With these giants, say?
Beautiful, man.
How can the fish get any greener and fresher than this? Curry masala on the line. Got you here. Champion. First man to strike here. Alright. I go home today, so I can't scrape up my cinch hand. I put on my gloves, right? This fish, very
monster.
Yeah, what is that? It's a monster, boy. It come off the lure already. Yeah, the gills from this fish, very sharp. Damage your hands up, your fingers up. So I want to message vex him here now. Who's the champion here now? Deep Pro.
Deep
Deep Pro. Alright, cheers. Masala and Corpota for you here, boy.
The boss himself here, the fish on the
Fish
line.
here, boy. Excitement, you know, excitement right now. Yeah, buddy.
Can't get better than
Can't
this.
get better than this, boy. Aha! Who's the champion?
ARD.
himself. How?
Can life get better than this?
Life can't get better than this. Alright, alright. My camera lady catching on the thing, you know. Good. Yeah, that's the problem here now. When you catch them with the lure, to get it out the net is the problem. Make sure you get one of this too, to assist you. Fish in the boot. Fish by fish on the line. Fish on the line by fish. Wow. Fish, fish, fish. Fish on the line by fish on the line. Look at that. Look how we bringing them in by big ones. No time for net. No time for net, boy. Fish on the line here, boy. This is real fish on the line. Look, fish on the line. Fish on the line again. Time for net. Fish on the line over this side again. Fish on the line. Fish on the line. All right. Fish by fish. Fish on the line. Fish. You fall in the boat or you fall out? Good. This girl, we're doing well. Let's go get him bite after bite.
Hold them down. Ah, fish on the line right there.
Fish on the line, boy. They keep running under the boat.
Don't just stay behind me, man. No fish, no fish. Fish on the line, fish on the line.
Fish by fish. Fish. You're bringing them like mud. Oh God, he gone. Keep down the rod. We don't care what fall off the line because the amount that coming in the boat. We don't care. We getting this one, but we're getting better. Who becoming the pro now? Oh shoot. Ooh. This big, boy, this big. Come pro. You gotta catch this. Net, buddy, get off me there. All right. Champion. 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 Fish on the line, fish. Get your rod, pro. Fish. All right. Fish board day.
Life can't get better than this.
Life can't get better than that, boy. Trust me. Lovely, lovely. Stop it lunch. Hey, stop like lunch. Andre, we beating the pro, you know. You and I combine. We beating the pro, right? Trust me, boy. All right, another 4 pound that we got here. I swim and reach you. Come, I got swim and reach you. I the best we got when you come to the net. I the net pro. Come through here. From the river. In, no, deep there.
No, in the deep in the No.
Aha! Who's the best? Who's the best net man? Look at this champion. Look at this champion. All right. This is a champion here, boy. This way called champion. This is a big boy.
Big. Guys, that take me just like gotta be done.
Yeah.
I never get. No, me feel good. Me feel good.
Yeah, buddy.
Remember.
Fish pro over there. I see seeing pro. The net pro. All right. Good. Fishing like champions here. 3. Everybody got a fish on the line here right now.
Who lose the fish can't drink nothing.
Who fish come off can't get no whiskey or no beer, right? Let me see.
Fish, let me watch
Yan gan.
Wow, look at the beauty.
Oh.
Look at this beauty, boy.
Yan gan.
Power, boy.
Power. Look at this. Wow. It's big fish, boy. It's big fish.
Whiskey
Yeah.
for me.
Whiskey, yeah. You are the
Champion.
champion getting some whiskey there. All right.
Whiskey you're talking about?
Yeah. Go get some more whiskey.
Yes.
But we can put them by the boat full now. Fish, boy, fish. Fish on the line here, boy. Stay on. Come on, Peter the fisherman. Keep it on. And that is the best net, man. Parlok the boat. Give me the thing. That's a monster. It's a monster. Come on. Bring it closer. Bring the man closer here. Come through. Get it. And I got a trophy. I got a trophy for the best landing, man.
No.
I'm like a dive in the sea net there, boy.
Yeah, but it's smart. Now look at the push it on the cover of the rock. Push it, don't hold.
Stay on.
Oh shit, on the part of the boat.
So now you get it.
Come out back.
No, keep it. You want it on me. Watch it. Want it on you. Raise up your hand.
I'll give it a good fight, boy. Come on. Bring it back in the front, yeah.
No. Let me see now.
Alright. Who's the boss on the landing net?
ARD.
Good. I the boss when it comes to landing net. This is definitely is a 5 pound though.
That thing give me a fight, boy.
We have it all on camera.
That thing give me a fight.
This is a monster. You want me lose back this one, mate?
Yeah, man.
Let me lose back this one, man. Can't get fresher and greener than this.
Fatter than this.
Fatter than this, boy. See that? Fish on the line.
Help me.
Go pick up that thing and put it too tight. You go bust that. Boy, come. I tell you, don't make it too tight.
Go with the jig.
Unfortunately, I lost a 6 pounder just now. Broke my heart. Nothing wrong with the line or the lure. But what happened? This is what I caught now. A 3 pounder or a 4 pounder. What happened there just now? The line got between this ring and it slipped off. The line slipped off and the fish got with my lure. So now we have a different challenge. Who catch a fish with 2 lures, which include the one that I just lost, get a bottle of whiskey. Alright?
What?
A bottle of whiskey. You
What?
catch the fish, that's a trophy fish. That has my lure on it, a bottle of Johnny Walker. Gold.
I'm getting a feel now.
This man going for boat to go catch that fish. Alright? So the fishing continue. Fish on the line. The bird took 2 mackerel flying away that side. Yes, we catching fish.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. to go and take a step back to see the truth.
Licks. We ain't catching fish. We taking licks or blows. We said at Guyanese, we said we taking blows. We ain't finding the fish right now. But I want y'all to see what I am seeing. Look ahead there. That's the Pacarima Mountain right over there. Can't get any better than this. We're searching for spots. We're searching for... Well, we got a big rock over there. We're probably going to that rock to get some locanani. But for now, I'm looking at the Pacarima Mountain. And we're searching for fish. And we're enjoying the morning so far. The adventure continues. Fish, boy. Fish on the line there, boy. Fish pro strike. Another fisher in the box there, boy. So we continuing the fishing. We catching one. We got 2 here on the rock so far. I ain't getting none. But so far for today, I caught 8. Alright. Another 2 hours, we're heading back to Georgetown. But we gotta go cook the lava for us. We ain't got a lot of fish today, but look at the size. Some giants. The adventure continues. So it was so exciting to pull this one up. I didn't even get to record it, but it's right on my lure there. Can't get better than this, boy. I'm becoming a pro, you know. All right. Look how I got him. Big size. Jumbo. Yeah, the man, Fish Pro helped me pull in the fish. All the man drinks all the biscuit. I'll follow. Turn over, boy. Was a good fight, you know. A good fight to get this fish in. Yeah. Everything throw away for this man. Just to get this fish, to land this fish, boy. We fishing in sun and rain. We don't care what Alruka say. Hey. It's raining, boy. And this is part of the fun and the adventure. We stop at another rock. We do no rock fishing today. Yeah, I can see the boat ain't got a lot. We ain't catching a lot, but we having a lot of fun. Now the rain come in. We still enjoying the rain. Alright. We made a stop here on White Man Camp. White Man Camping Ground. Remember I used to say the place got flush tile. That's real, pro? You had flush tile for real? My man Fish Pro tell me it had flush tile. Some fellas came from the US and they set up a camping ground here. Look at the dark clouds. So it used to have toilet facility and stuff down here, man. Flush toilet. But everything just fall apart. Nobody maintained it and it just fell apart. We're having a good time, boy. You enjoying the trip so far, boy, pro? 110%, boy. Trust me. Life can't get better than this. We're having a lot of fun. We're enjoying the journey and the adventure. Life is indeed good.
Smile for the camera.
So, I'm a man you there, boy. And remember, y'all can get this man to bring y'all on fishing tours and hunting tours. 681-8100. 592, that's the country code. 681-8100. Let me see what this man got there, boy. Fish on the line, boy. Look at Nani. Whoa! Lovely. Look at that over here, though. Fish on the line, boy. Yeah, you contact Yui on 681-8100. He can bring you any one of these rivers to fish. And it's a man that catch fish, you know. Arowana and stuff. Hey, fishing is fun, boy. We caught some big ones. And this lady here, the first lady, caught most of the fish today, right?
Whiskey today.
Whiskey to the fish. Yeah. You caught the first one for real. This is what we got here, boy, for today. You see that? Look at this one here. Andrea caught this one here. Nice 5 pounder. We're gonna cook that right now. Back to camp. Alright? We're gonna cook some stew lava or lava stew. Alright? Alright, so we're gonna mix, this girl gonna make some lava stew, boy. Oh no, it's Fish Pro making this thing, boy.
Lava stew, what you? Let's take a look at the goodness here.
Oh, Don't marinate there, boy.
Life can't get better than this.
Life can't get better than that, boy.
Life can't get better than this, boy.
They might do well there, boy. So we get some labas stew here for lunch. And then we packing up and we going back to Georgetown, you know. To GT. We cooking in sun and rain. We don't care what the weatherman say. Alright, hey. Life in the jungle is 100% awesome. Now the rain falling outside. Them fellas in the boat that coming in. Them by fishing there right now. You we got fish on the line there, boy. Fish on the line, boy. You fish on the line. Alright, so the only problem is when the rain fall, man. This jungle in the Amazon here, the Amazon rainforest, a lot of rain. That's what I call it, the rainforest. Alright, a lot of rain is happening. So the goodness continue to get better. Alright, the adventure. How do you think walk the way?
Power. Huh?
Power. Look good, but it smell good too. Will we?
Tastes good, it tastes
Try it
good.
out, taste the way.
Me taste already.
How you
Tastes
walk?
nice. I could left fish bro and eating good by here.
Good by you, right?
Yeah.
This man is the best chef so far when it comes to back down by.
Yeah.
Alright, so you will give me a review how the thing tastes the way.
You want nothing more inside.
Wow. That's a very good review.
But you can't get fresher than this.
Can't.
This though.
From the jungle into the Karahi.
Shatter there with whiskey.
We got it with we got crack a seal. Andrew, you can crack a seal and we deal with it. So to the winner of the competition, the first lady, Andrea. Cheers. And what we knocking there?
Whiskey.
Glenfiddich 12. Alright. Cheers. Salush. And this one for the camping. Y'all enjoy the trip so far?
Yes, we enjoy the trip. And
Cheers.
Andrea, I know you get fish pro is
The boss.
a boss in fishing, but I get confident in you all the time. Since I see
Yeah.
fishing, I see your BT already.
Well, she beaten this trip. That's why she get a whiskey.
And then
She's a champion.
Why you
I
tell
know
you sorry
Uncle Danny coming up sharp now.
Yeah, well, I is in net. Who is me? The net what?
It's when you train rook.
The
man,
net pro. Yeah, the first lady win the championship today. Trust me, and she's done better on this tournament. She got a lot, and the bigger ones too. So cheers to that once again, man. Not the battle, man. Cheers. All right.
You know,
And she give me a name. The net what?
Net man.
Net pro.
Net pro. This man might be fish pro. I see net pro. I the land the net. All right. How the food work, boy? How the lab work?
Lava bang.
Eat fresh. Can't get better than that, boy. I know that. Hey.
Take me on just now.
The goodness continue, by. At least we're celebrating. We're leaving momentarily back to the landing and then back to Georgetown. But overall, how was the experience for the last 2 days?
Nice. Good catch.
Even
Yes.
if fish have some, we have place to put fish, you know.
We got place to put fish. Yeah. But the feeling here is amazing.
The atmosphere is nice.
And we didn't get fishing full out. Me get fishing.
You don't get a fish, yeah. You remember you don't get a fish, yeah. And y'all want to extend the stay? Y'all want to extend your vacation? Can we on vacation, you know? Finally, we've come to the conclusion of our fishing adventure today. For the last 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we've caught too many fish. We lose count. This is some we have in the boat there. And this is the boss over there, the man himself, fish pro. Life can't get better. Life can't get better than this. Trust me. Look here. Fish. Of course, you guys know what coming next. We're gonna gather our stuff. We're gonna head to Chinese Landing, and we're gonna drive our way all the way back to Georgetown. Home sweet home. Hope you enjoy this adventure with us, because we had an awesome 3 days. The best 3 days of my life was here in the Essequibo River. Life couldn't get better. So thank you for your time on this journey with us. Hope you're staying safe and positive. Take care of you and those around you. God bless you. Peace out. And I'm going to see you on the next adventure.